All right, so I've been testing the Vermix Pulse Pro, and the big question is, does it actually work, or is it just another plug-in gimmick? Here's the simple breakdown. This device is designed as a chemical-free pest deterrent for things like mice, ants, roaches, and spiders. Instead of poison or traps, it uses a mix of ultrasonic waves, electromagnetic pulses through your home wiring, and shifting frequencies to supposedly keep pests from adapting. Now, in terms of value, it's around $50. No refills, no batteries, no ongoing costs, which is way cheaper than repeated exterminator visits. But here's the reality check. The first few days can look worse before it gets better. Some users report more pest activity at first, then a drop-off after 2 to 4 weeks. My honest take? It's solid for prevention and light infestations, especially if you want a non-toxic option. But if you're already dealing with a serious infestation, this won't replace a professional exterminator. So, good tool, just not a miracle fix.